Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing some acrylic markers which I picked up from a local art supply store. It was a recent visit to the store to pick up some Christmas essentials and I came across this particular set. I've been itching to try some new acrylic markers because I find them very easy to use and quite interesting medium to work with. So I thought why not take this opportunity to try some cheap markers before I go ahead and get something more branded for my next project. You know the drill. I love to experiment, review new art supplies, and decide where and which project to use them for. So let's dive in.